Hello, greetings of the day. Welcome to Econometrics Melody. This is the first video on miscellaneous series in Stata. In this miscellaneous series in Stata, we're going to cover some of the basic, general, and handy topics in Stata. This is going to be a practical session. Let's begin. Let us clear anything that is in the memory, the data memory, clear all the data sets that's in the data memory, and let us clear the result window as well. Now let us set observations to be 21, and it creates a data container for 21 observations. Generate a variable a. We are going to use agent command, and we're going to draw a sequence of numbers, and starting from -1 in the block of 3. Let us give some room for missing values as well, so missing values in 19 to last. Now let us go to the main topic of this tutorial. Generate a variable called b on the basis of variable a. So variable b is going to take the values 33 for all the observations if a. Only the condition is if a. So what does this condition imply? This may be a bit unique condition. So if a, we have not specified any condition after this explicitly. So what does it mean? If a should not be equals to false. So the condition is a should not be equals to false. So wherever a is 0, we are going to get the missing values. So here a is equals to the values of a is equals to 0, so we are going to get the missing values and the corresponding observations of variable b. So we can justify it further. Generate c equals to 33 if a is not equal to 0. And let us check whether the earlier condition and this condition, they are the same or different. Yes, they are exactly the one and the same. Now let us try its variation. Let us generate for that let us drop the variable b and c. Due to a space limitation, we are going to drop b and c. Now let us generate a variable called b equals to, again, let us say 99 this time, if not a. So what does this imply? If a is false, basically if a means a is true and a should not be equals to false, and if not a means a should be equals to false, a should not be equals to true. So either way, this is equals to when a is exactly equals to 0, that is a equals to false, not a equals to false. And let us see, wherever a is 0, we are going to get the values 99. Corresponding values for variable b, we are going to get 99, and we can further justify it by generating variables c equals to 99 if a is equals to 0, and we get the same result. And when we compare this, we get the same result. So this earlier condition of if statement was a bit unique. Now let us see some of the very general or more explicit specification of if condition. For that, let us draw b and c and generate b is equals to, again, let us say 66 if a is greater than 3. This is quite obvious. Generate c equals to, let us say 90 if a is less than 2 and or if a is greater than 3. So these are the more explicit and clear conditions. The above one, like a is not equal, if not a, this is where they were a bit unique. That is why we covered it in this tutorial. This is it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much, Econometrics Melody.